Hello everyone, this is Paukshta Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every day. Today we're going to show you a very useful technique. We're going to show you how to insert a zipper in a garment. First, we need to mark where the zipper is going to be inserted. Imagine this is the center back. The usual width of the seams when inserting the zippers is 1.5 centimeters. You can tack the seam for stitching if you want to. We're not going to do it. We'll stitch it with the white stitches. We're going to make a bar tack here, and then stitch the rest of the seam the way we usually do. When you reach the marked point, make a bar tack here, and then continue stitching. The stitched seam should be pressed open. Iron the seam first, and then press it open. Notice that we've already etched the details with an overlocker. We also need to decotize the zipper. Next, we need to insert the zipper in the side seam. The seam should be removed up from the bar tack. I remind you that the upper part of the seam, the part in which the zipper is going to be inserted, was stitched with the white stitches. You can tack the zipper for stitching if you want to. We're not going to do it. Natalie is stitching the zipper. The width of the seam is 1 millimeter. Stitch as close to the zipper itself as possible. Anyway, make sure that you will be able to do and undo the zipper. The first side is ready. Next, we need to stitch the second one. It should be tacked first. Notice that Natalie has pinned the fold in such way that the zipper is hidden under the details. Tack the details accurately. Don't stretch or gather fabric. That's it. Let's start stitching. Watch the way Natalie is stitching the details. Use the tacking as the checkpoint for stitching. Make sure that you don't make the seam too long.
Будьте аккуратны в этом моменте. Увести бегунок надо обратно. Угу.
Do not forget to make a horizontal bar tag here. Have a look at this scene. This is how it looks like from the right side. And this is how it looks like from the wrong side. The tagging can be removed now. This is the most simple way for inserting zippers. The only thing left for us to do is to iron the details. Please be very accurate. I remind you that we are making a mock-up. You need to make sure that you don't press the details too hard when working with the actual garments. That's all for today. Be different and beautiful. We're Ira and Natalie. Subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Goodbye.